Hi, I'm Jack from MegaMaxx, and this is a quick introduction guide to our wall and ceiling mount bubble wrap bracket. We designed this back in 2016 and we've been manufacturing it ever since. So I'm going to quickly show you the range and then we're going to install it on the wall so you can have a quick product overview. So it comes in 3 different standard colours: smooth white, texture black and a standard blue, which is ideal for most industrial settings. And this is an aluminium tube, and we do this in 7 different widths, and no matter how wide your roll of bubble wrap is you want to dispense, we're going to have you covered. Once you open your packaging, you're going to find 2 brackets there, a little bit of a leaflet, and so you can see our full ranges of our products. And we're so proud of this product that we manufacture it here in England. We also actually manufacture the packaging. So you're just going to cut the straps on there. And this is our standard blue. So with the 7 different tube lengths we offer, for instance, if you was to buy the 500mm wide bubble wrap bracket kit, the tube will actually be 600mm, so it gives you 5cm at each end to allow for that overhang that sits comfortably in the bracket. So all you need to do on our website, just click the length and the width for the bubble wrap you use, and we will supply the slightly extra long tube to suit your needs. So we're going to fix it to the wall now. We don't supply any screws or raw plugs. That's because there's so many different wall types you may be fixing to: concrete, brick, breeze blocks, plaster or plasterboard. So we let you do that yourself. There's so many shops you can get cheap fixings, we feel it's wasteful for us to supply you the wrong one. Into this wall we're going to be screwing into a wood wall, so we're just going to simply use a screw like this and it will attach through the keyhole hooks here. Very easy to install. A screw roughly where I want the one left bracket. Then we're going to take the left hand side bracket and hook that on there. I'm going to use a little spirit level, so we're going to get the side bracket straight. For ease of install, I'm going to take a pencil and just mark that top piece there. I'm going to take the bracket off and put the other screw in. So now I have the bottom screw in the wall and the top. Simply put that on, and if you've done the screws up snugly, you can pull it down tightly, and there's your bracket mounted. So to easily find where you need to put the other bracket, you can use the aluminium tube on top. You want about a 5cm gap there, and at around the 5cm mark you want to mark a vertical line and also a horizontal line, and that's exactly where you're going to screw the bracket. It's going to make your job very easy. So we'll put the bracket at the top there, up against the mark. Then I'm going to mark on the inside with the pencil. We'll put a screw there and there. I'm going to put that on the wall too. Make sure the screws are all tight. Check that fits in there, nice and level. There you go. If you have an installation where you want to screw this onto the bottom of racking, that will work too. So you can screw that in that orientation, and you'll notice the tube will still work and dispense. I can't do a demonstration of that here, but you can easily see it works in one of vertical, horizontal locations. So to use it, all you do, put the tube straight through the middle and put the bubble wrap into the bracket. And there you go, you're ready to do your packing or whatever you need to do. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or queries about the bubble wrap bracket, please contact our team. If not, you can check it out on IndoorOutdoors.co.uk to see our full MegaMaxx range. Thanks very much.